I like your swag, boy, I like your swag. You look like dad, look just like your dad. You like dad, you look just like your dad.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy CHRISREACTS, and I'm back with another video. Now today, we're gonna be doing a tutorial. Now you know how when you wake up, your box braids being like just looking crazy, bro. Like when you sleep, you either gotta wear like a do-rag, if you don't wear a do-rag, stocking cap, whatever, headband, whatever, when you go to sleep. Shit gonna be looking like this. So today I'm gonna show you how to actually lay down your hair. Like, see how this is standing up right now? It's actually gonna be laid down. All of this shit that's sticking up is gonna be laid down. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that today. And yeah, be breezy. Get it! Alright, so first thing you wanna do, you feel me? You gotta make sure the do-rag is Gucci. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, got the silky out there. Make sure it's a silky, B. You see it? See, it gotta be stretchy and it gotta be a silky, B. Don't put a poly on, my nigga. You put a poly on, I swear to God, if I see you, your life is over. Back to the video. Alright, like I was saying, feel me? When you put your do-rag on, bro, make sure your shit not too tight, bro. Like, feel what I'm saying? I be seeing some niggas that they be taking the do-rag off, be having a line there and shit. I'm like, what the fuck? You feel what I'm saying? So make sure your shit on valid. It don't gotta be perfect. It's gotta be on your head, my nigga. You just getting in the shower. And yeah, you have to get in the shower. Attention, dirty niggas. You have to get in the shower for this method. It's not gonna work. Okay? Like I was saying. Put the do-rag on, you feel me? It don't gotta be perfect. Like I say, you see that little flap right there? I'ma fix it. Oh, I'm definitely gonna fix it. You feel what I'm saying? But for right now, I'm trying to focus. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, first part done. Alright, now this part 2, you feel me? Alright, so what you want to do is, the key to laying your shit down, when you put your do-rag on, bro, you gotta pull your braids down, bro. Pull them down, you feel what I'm saying? When you pull your braids down, that give you a little bit more drip, you feel what I'm saying? Because niggas put the do-rag on, and these niggas don't even be pulling the braids down, bro. They just be putting the do-rag on. Alright, I'm out to school. No, my nigga, you not out to school. You look crazy, my nigga. Alright, so you want to make sure you get your drip, you feel what I'm saying? Get the back ones too, you feel what I'm saying? You gotta get everything. Get the back ones, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure that's valid. Alright, go do the other side too, you feel what I'm saying? Vice versa, you feel what I'm saying? Go on the other side, pull those down. Alright, pull those down. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Get the drip. Alright, now you want to pull a flap all the way down. Pull it, not hard, so that the do-rag come off for you dumb niggas. But pull it, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, pat it down. See, I told you I was gonna fix that flap. You feel what I'm saying? Fix the flap. Ooh, you looking crispy. You feel what I'm saying? After you do that, you straight, you good. You off to the shower, you feel me? Bring it up and break that shit down. Hey, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang. Hey, buzz it, buzz down. Hey, buzz down on the gang. Buzz down, Tatiana. Hey, I wanna see you buzz down. You got the shower and shit, feel me? You take off the dewy, you feel what I'm saying? You take off the dewy. Hold up. Voila, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? You got the drip. You got just drip city out here, you feel what I'm saying? It's drip city, you know what I'm saying? All the dry braids that was curled up or like looped up or whatever you want to call it, all them shits ain't looping up no more, you feel me? Now your shit drip, feel me? You could feel me? Yeah, get all that, yeah, get all that, you feel me? Now your shit's drip, about to go to the party, you feel me? Fuck a couple bitches, all that, you know what I'm saying? Stay smart though, wrap it up. That's how you straighten your box braids. If you have any questions, tips, anything, hit my Facebook, hit my Instagram. I don't really be on Facebook, I be on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat and Instagram will be below. Like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.